Hello friends, welcome to Bangez Math Academy. In previous video, we have learned practice set 1.1 of sets. In this video, we will see practice set 1.2. Let's start. Types of sets. There are four types of sets: singleton set, empty sets, finite set and infinite set. First is singleton set. Singleton set means set contains only one element or set contains a single element is called as singleton set. Set contains only one element is called as singleton set or set contains single element. मग पहा मुलांनो, सिंगलटन सेट, सिंगल म्हणजे एक असा सेट की ज्यामध्ये फक्त एकच एलिमेंट असेल, एकच मेंबर असेल, अशा प्रकारचा जो सेट असेल त्याला आपण सिंगलटन सेट असं म्हणूया. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, is the set of all x such that x is an even prime number. Write down given set by listing method. Even prime number म्हणजे सममूळ संख्या. मग सममूळ संख्या फक्त एकच आहे, ती म्हणजे 2. ही एकमेव सममूळ संख्या आहे. मग या संचामध्ये फक्त एकच एलिमेंट आहे, म्हणून ह्या संचाला आपण सिंगलटन सेट असं म्हणूया. देन सेकंड, empty set or null set. Empty set means set does not contain an element. नावातच सर्व काही आहे. empty means रिक्त, रिकामा, ज्याच्यामध्ये काही नाही असा. Set does not contain an element is called as empty set. For example, B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number between 4 and 5. Write down given set by listing method. पहा, x is natural number between 4 and 5. मग 4 आणि 5 च्या दरम्यान एखादी नैसर्गिक संख्या आहे का? एक पण नाही. मग हा संच जो आहे तो आपण अशा पद्धतीने लिहितो. B is a empty set or we can write in this way. 5. B is equal to 5 means B is a empty set. Finite set. Finite set means number of elements are countable. We count all the elements in this set. Such sets are called as finite sets. Number of elements are countable. पहा, फायनाईट सेट असा संच ज्यामधील मेंबर एलिमेंट आपण मोजू शकतो, ती मोजण्याची क्रिया संपते कधी ना कधी, अशा प्रकारचा जो सेट आहे त्याला आपण फायनाईट सेट म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, C is a set of all x such that x is an odd number from 1 to 10. Write down set C by listing method. X is an odd number from 1 to 10. 1 ते 10 पर्यंतच्या विषम संख्या. ते आपण अशा लिहूया. C is the set of 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Elements of these sets are countable. आपण ती संख्या मोजू शकतो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So set C is called as finite set. Fourth, infinite set. Infinite set means number of elements are uncountable. Number of elements are अनकाउंटेबल. म्हणजे या संचातील जे एलिमेंट्स आहेत, मेंबर्स आहेत, ते आपण मोजू शकत नाहीत. दे आर इनफायनाईट. कधीच न संपणारे ते घटक मोजू शकत नाहीत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सेट ऑफ नॅचरल नंबर 1, 2, 3, ... etc. Set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, ... etc. Set of integers, set of rational numbers, set of irrational numbers, set of real number. These are also examples of infinite sets. So N means set of natural number, W set of whole number, I set of integer, Q set of rational number, Q dash set of irrational number, and R. These all sets are infinite set. Equal sets. If two set contains exactly same element, if two set contains exactly same element, then two sets are called as equal set. The two sets are called as equal set. Equal set म्हणजे दोन्ही मध्ये सेम एलिमेंट पाहिजे, तेवढेच, तेच. ऑर्डर इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, A is a set of all x such that x is a letter in the word T, and B is a set of all y such that y is a letter in the word eat. Write down these two sets by listing method. A is the set of all x such that x is a letter in the word T. A is the set of T, comma, E, comma, A. And B is the set of all y such that y is a letter in the word eat. So B is the set of E, comma, A, comma, T. See, these two sets contains exactly same element T, A, E. Order of the element is not important. पहा, इक्वल सेट म्हणजे दोन्ही सेटमध्ये एक्झॅक्टली तेच एलिमेंट पाहिजे. क्रम बदलला तरी काही हरकत नाही. मग असे जे सेट्स आहेत त्यांना आपण इक्वल सेट्स म्हणतो. मग ते आपण अशा पद्धतीने दाखवतो. सेट ए इज इक्वल टू सेट बी. Consider C is the set of all x such that x is an odd natural number from 1 to 10 and D is a set of all y such that y is an even natural number from 1 to 10. Write down set C and set D by listing method. C is the set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. विषम नैसर्गिक संख्या 1 ते 10 पर्यंतच्या. So C is the set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. D is the set of all y such that y is an even natural number. सम नैसर्गिक संख्या 1 ते 10 पर्यंत असणाऱ्या. So D is the set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See, consider set C and set D. C contains 5 elements. Set D also contains 5 elements. But set C and set D, elements of these two sets are not same. They have different element. So we can say that set C is not equal to set B. Set C and set D does not have same element. So we can say that set C is not equal to set D. Practice set 1.2. Question first. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. A is the set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. B is the set of all x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. And C is the set of all x such that x belongs to n, natural number, and x is less than 2. Consider set A. A is the set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Find the value of x. 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Transfer minus 1 to RHS, it becomes plus. 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. 3x is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. Transfer 3 to RHS, x is equal to 3 upon 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3. So x is equal to 1. So we got A is a set of 1. Then consider set B. B is set of all x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. Write down set B by listing method. X is a natural number. X ही नैसर्गिक संख्या है. Neither prime nor composite. So there is only one number, that is 1. That is 1 is neither prime and nor composite. So set B contains only one element, that is 1. So B is a set of 1. Then consider set C. C is the set of all x such that x belongs to n means natural number and x is less than 2. We have to write down set C by listing method. So C is the set of, x belongs to n means natural number, x ही नैसर्गिक संख्या है, x is less than 2. So 1 is less than 2 and 1 is a natural number which is less than 2. So C is the set of 1. See, set A, set B and set C. These three sets contains exactly same element, that is 1. So we can write in this way, set A, comma B and C contains exactly same element. So set A is equal to set B is equal to set C. Second example, decide whether sets A and B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. A is the set of even prime numbers and B is the set of all x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. पहा, या उदाहरणामध्ये आपल्याला सेट ए आणि सेट बी इक्वल आहेत किंवा नाहीत हे ठरवायचं आहे. सोल्युशन, ए इज अ सेट ऑफ even prime numbers. Write down set A by listing method. A is a set of even prime number, म्हणजे सम मूळ संख्या. So there is only one number, that is 2, which is even prime number. A is a set of 2. This set contains only one element, that is 2. B. B is a set of all x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Simplify this. 7x minus 1 is equal to 30. Transfer minus 1 to RHS, it becomes plus. 7x is equal to 13 plus 1. Simplify. 7x is equal to 13 plus 1, 14. Transfer 7 to RHS, x is equal to 14 upon 7. By cancelling 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14. So we got value of x is 2, means set B contains only one element, that is 2. See, set A and set B contains exactly same element. Set A and set B contains exactly same element. So set A is equal to set B. Third example, which of the following are empty set and y. First example, A is a set of all A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Consider first example. A is a set of all A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Write down set A by listing method. Set A is a natural number smaller than 0. So there is no natural number which is smaller than 0. Numbers which are smaller than 0 are negative integers. शून्यपेक्षा लहान नैसर्गिक संख्या आहेत का? नाही आहेत. शून्यपेक्षा लहान म्हटलं की निगेटिव्ह इंटिजर झाले सर्व. मग आपल्याला नॅचरल नंबर विचारले. सो देर इज नो नॅचरल नंबर smaller than 0. It means that set A does not contain an element. So we can write this set as empty set. A is a empty set. Or we can write in this way also, A is equal to phi. This sign stands for phi. Means null set or empty sets. Consider second example. B is a set of all x such that x square is equal to 0. Write down given set by listing method. X is equal to 0, x square is equal to 0. Taking square root of both sides. X is equal to 0. So we get value of x is 0. Means set B contains one element. So set B not an empty set. Set B is not an empty set. Then consider third example. C is a set of all x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x belongs to natural number. Write down set C by listing method. So consider 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Transfer minus 2. 5x is equal to minus 2 becomes plus. Then transfer 5 to RHS. X is equal to 2 upon 5. So we get C is a set of 2 upon 5. But see, here condition is given that x is a natural number. So 2 upon 5 is not natural number, means C is a empty set. C is a natural number, so C is empty set. We can write down in this way. Set C is an empty set. Fourth question, write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. First example, is a set of all x such that x is less than 10 and x is a natural number. So first of all, write down given set A by listing method. आपल्याला हे जे दिलेले सेट्स आहेत ते फायनाईट किंवा इनफायनाईट आहे ते ठरवायचं आहे. मग ते आहेत किंवा नाही ठरवण्यासाठी आपण ते लिस्टिंग मेथडमध्ये लिहूया. A is a set of all x such that x is less than 10, means value of x is less than 10, smaller than 10, and x is a natural number. So A is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these are natural numbers which are less than 10. Then see, elements of these sets are countable. Number of elements. Number of elements of set A are countable. जे या संचातील सर्व एलिमेंट्स आपण मोजू शकतो. So set A is a finite set. Set A is a finite set. See second example. B is a set of all y such that y is less than -1 and y is an integer. Value of y is less than -1 and y is an integer. So write down set B by listing method. Value of y is less than -1. So numbers which are less than -1 are -2, -3, -4, like this. -2, -3, -4, ... etc. And y is an integer. See, set elements of these sets are uncountable. So number of elements, number of elements of set B are uncountable. आपण याच्यातील एलिमेंट्स मोजू शकतो का? मोजण्याची क्रिया ही कधीच संपत नाही, मीन्स अनकाउंटेबल. सो सेट बी इज an infinite set. Consider third example. See the set of students of class 9 from your school. So number of elements of this set or number of students in your class are countable. So set C is a finite set. Number of elements or number of students of class 9 are countable. So set C is a finite set. Fourth example, set of people from your village. तुमच्या खेड्यातील व्यक्तींचा समूह, ते आपण मोजू शकतो. We can clearly list all elements in this set. We can count all peoples in your village. The number of people in a village are countable. So this set is finite set. This set is a finite set. Fifth example, set of apparatus in laboratory. Number of sets of apparatus. We can count. Means apparatus are countable. Number of apparatus is not in large scale. Number of apparatus in laboratory are countable. So this set is also a finite set. Then see sixth example, set of whole numbers. If we write set of whole number, it is denoted by capital letter W. Set of whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, dot 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 etc. So number of elements of these sets are uncountable. Whole numbers मोजू शकतो का आपण? शक्य नाही. So number of elements of set whole number is uncountable. So this set is an infinite set. Seventh example, set of rational numbers. There are infinite rational numbers. So number of elements of this set are uncountable. Number of elements of set rational numbers are uncountable. So this set is an infinite set. Hence we completed practice set 1.2. In next video we will see practice set 1.3. Please like, share, comment the video and subscribe Bangage Math Academy to get the notifications of new videos. Thank you.